This is the jungle Raj that you have brought. These are the gunda louts and rowdies that are walking through the streets of Calcutta to attend your meeting. You never apologized. You never said sorry for coming to our city and having your workers vandalize the home of Our Lady Cabinet Minister. Hello, Honorable Prime Minister Ji. Hello, Honorable Narendra Modi Ji. Welcome to Bengal. You've come today to Bengal, and from your rally at the Brigade Parade grounds, you have said that Trinamool is running a Maha Jungle Raj in Bengal. It is so ironic that the day you said this is the very day that your BJP workers coming to your meeting at the Brigade Parade grounds has vandalized and attacked the home of a lady cabinet minister, Dr. Shashi Panja, in Girish Park on the way to your rally. This is the first time the personal home of any cabinet minister in Bengal has been attacked by any political party. Dr. Shashi Panja is a mother of 2 daughters. She lives in that house with them, and her house was vandalized, the window panes broken, her staff attacked. She was present in the house. This is the jungle Raj that you have brought. These are the gunda louts and rowdies that are walking through the streets of Calcutta to attend your meeting. You never apologized. You never said sorry for coming to our city and having your workers vandalize the home of Our Lady Cabinet Minister. For shame on you. Then you come here and you tell us that we have insulted the Honorable President. We have not insulted the President. You have reduced every constitutional body, from the President to the Election Commissioner to the Speaker to every single body, you have reduced to being a puppet of the BJP. You have sent the Honorable President here on the eve of an election to parrot your lines. She came to a private event on a private invitation. The state government was not responsible for that program. We gave it in writing that the program is not suitable for her. Even then, you insisted that she come here. When tribals were attacked in Manipur and paraded naked through the streets of Manipur, you, Mr. Prime Minister, till today have not stepped into the soil of Manipur. When tribals were urinated on in Madhya Pradesh, a state that is BJP ruled, not one chew came out of you, Mr. Prime Minister. You're teaching us about tribal welfare. Today, Bengalis, skilled workers who have the right to live and work anywhere in Bengal, in India, when they are in Gujarat, when they are in Haryana, when they are in Delhi, when they are in Madhya Pradesh, when they are in Chhattisgarh, when they are in Orissa, they are living in constant fear. Fear for their lives, fear of abuse, fear of being branded Bangladeshis, fear of being branded Rohingyas. This is how you treat our hardworking brothers and sisters when they come as guests to your state. And you come to our state and you expect to abuse us and get away with it. Do you remember when you came in 2024 before the elections and you spoke on the telephone to Rekha Patra of Sandeshkhali and to the BJP candidate in Krishnanagar, and you told them all sorts of things? Every single seat that you visited, the BJP lost. Both of these candidates lost. We are very happy that you've come to Brigade Parade ground, because your coming here frankly means that we will come back with a greater margin. You're talking about the SIR. You're talking about your Hindu voters. What about the Matuas? The Matuas are the Hindu Bangladeshi migrants who have been living in Bengal for the past 50 years or more, who vote here, who own land here, who have all the rights here. And today they have come under the category of unmapped, ineligible voters in this grand circus presided over by your CEC. How are they going to get back on the voters' rolls before the election is announced? Have you any answers for them? Mr. Prime Minister, it is very nice that you choose to come to Bengal on the eve of every election. We have no problem. We welcome you. But please, come as the tourist you are and go back as the tourist you are. Don't try and give the people of Bengal any advice on how to choose their government. The people of Bengal have put their faith in Mamata Banerjee and will continue to do so.